Yo. Alright, now we got two angles here. Check it out. Yo, what's up everybody? This is Healthful Beats. Hope you're all having a great day. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You guys are the best. Thank you all for the support. Today I'm going to be recording a hair transformation video. This is currently 3.5 years worth of hair growth. I did get it a couple inches cut off a couple weeks ago, just trying to trim up the ends so it looks nice and healthy. But regardless, just about 3.5 years worth of hair growth. I'm going to be cutting it down to about, I would say about 8 millimeters all around. And got my scissors. What we're gonna do here? Just gonna grab, maybe split my hair in half here. This is gonna be dirty. This is gonna be really not so pretty of a hair cutting video, but what the hell, you know? Wow. Okay. This pair of scissors is not doing so well. Already running into trouble, and it's really hard to do this in the mirror. All right, we got some off. Whoa. Damn, maybe this is a new look. Whew. Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're at the point where I'm gonna just start using the hair clipper. So let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that's not a very good look, is it? No. This is what we got. This is what we're working with at the moment. Keep going. I'm liking this look. Like, damn, this looks cool. Did I miss too much? I mean, I might have missed a couple spots in the back, but overall, I think the look is there. Hell yeah. Nice. I was gonna do something really cheesy where I showed back and forth of myself, maybe like, you know, kind of upset with the long hair and then, you know, like that. All right. You know, something like that. Yeah. What is it wrong? You can let me know if you like the new look by leaving a like on the video. Comment below if y'all are thinking about doing this as well, cutting your own hair, and let me know why, you know, what your reasons are. I'd be really interested to hear. So I decided not to end the video just yet. It's been about 4 days, and I felt like the buzz cut wasn't complete yet, so I decided to give myself a fade on the sides. First time ever doing this for myself, and a lot of time with a buzz cut, the sides are a little bit shorter than on top and not completely uniform all around. I felt like it looked fine, but it just didn't look as clean as I wanted it to. And so now I did this just the other day, and my hair's still drying. I just got out of the shower, but yeah. and show you guys how I did that, but basically goes down really short here by the sideburn, kind of tapers up into the full length on top. And I just felt like that was something I really wanted in my look. So I wanted to show that because that's kind of right now the final transformation, the final form, my final form at the moment. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys what that looked like. Thank you all for the support. Have a great day. You guys are beautiful, amazing people. Have a good one. Peace out. Bye-bye.